Each year, thousands of fires cause severe injuries, property loss, job loss, and hundreds of deaths. In this course, you will learn what causes fires, recognizing fire hazards, and what to do in a fire emergency. Fires are caused by smoking. Matches and other smoking materials start more fires each year than any other man-made source. Hot work. Operations that use high temperatures, such as welding or grinding, cause extreme fire hazards. Spontaneous combustion. Certain materials, such as oily rags, can heat up, causing a reaction between chemicals and flammable materials. If they get hot enough, a fire will start. Personal electric heaters. Portable heaters must be kept away from flammable material. Turn them off when not needed and unplug them at the end of the day. Trash accumulation. Fires need fuel. Keep all work areas clear. Remove excess material on a routine basis, especially before the end of the workday. Gas-fired equipment. Improper operation or maintenance can cause fires or explosions. Chemical reactions. Combining certain chemicals can cause fires. Electrical overload causes overheating of circuits, which is a major cause of industrial fires. Keep electric motor air intakes unblocked and clean. Don't store any material in electrical utility areas. Following these rules will help prevent fires at work. Store flammable liquids only in approved containers. No open flames near flammable material. Do not overload electrical circuits. Properly maintain and operate gas-fired equipment. Don't let trash accumulate. Turn off personal heaters at the end of the day. Follow hot work procedures. Properly extinguish cigarettes and smoke only in approved areas. For fires to start and continue, 3 things must exist: oxygen, fuel, and heat. These are called the fire triangle. If one element of the triangle is removed, a fire will not start. Oxygen is in the air all around us, so we can only prevent fires by controlling the sources of fuel and heat. There are 4 types of fires, classified by their type of fuel. Class A fires involve combustible material, such as paper and wood. Flammable liquids, such as gasoline, paint, diesel fuel, or solvents, are the fuel for Class B fires. Class C fire includes electrical equipment, and Class D fires are from combustible metal powders, flakes, or shavings. Rules for controlling flammable liquids include bonding and grounding of bulk liquid containers to prevent sparks which could ignite vapors, keeping flammable liquids only in approved storage areas, using only the minimum amount needed at workstations, use of approved flammable liquid containers, and not conducting any flame or spark-producing operations or equipment in areas where flammable liquids are stored or used. Flammable gases are controlled by keeping flammable gas cylinders in approved storage areas, using non-sparking tools on flammable gas systems, not using oxygen cylinders around oil or grease, not allowing flame or spark-producing operations or equipment in areas where flammable gases are stored or used. Electrical fires are prevented by keeping areas around electrical equipment clear of material, safe design of electrical systems, controlling access to distribution equipment rooms, and not storing material in electric utility rooms. Fires from gas-fueled equipment, such as boilers and heaters, are prevented by strict control of the fuel sources, alarms and system controls, automatic equipment shutdown features, and periodic cleaning and inspections. Hot work is any work that causes high temperatures or sparks. These generally involve welding, brazing, or metal grinding. Hot work should only be performed in authorized hot work areas or areas that have been checked and cleared of combustible materials. Hot work is not allowed in areas where flammable liquids or gases are stored or used. Carelessness with smoking materials is a major source of fires. Smoke only in authorized areas and use fire-safe ash receptacles. Housekeeping rules can also prevent fires. Be sure to turn off all office electrical equipment at the end of the workday. Unplug personal electric heaters. Don't allow trash to accumulate in work areas, and don't store any materials under stairs, inside stairwells, or behind ladders. If you discover a fire, activate the nearest fire alarm and notify your supervisors and other employees in the area. Fight the fire only if you have been trained to use a fire extinguisher and the fire department has been notified of the fire, and the fire is small and confined to its area of origin, and have a way out and can fight the fire with your back to an exit, and you have the proper extinguisher in good working order, and you know how to use it. If you are not sure of your ability or the fire extinguisher's capacity to contain the fire, leave the area immediately. If you hear a fire alarm, evacuate the area immediately. Close windows and doors as you leave. Move away from exits and out of the way of emergency units. Assemble in the designated area. Report to the assembly monitor so they know you are safe, and remain outside until competent authority says that it is safe to re-enter. Fire prevention depends on you. You should know at least 2 safe escape routes from your work area. Never use an elevator as part of your escape route. Learn how to activate a fire alarm. Learn the meaning of alarm sounds. Take an active part in emergency drills. In the event of a fire, exit quickly and stay low in smoke-filled areas. Report all fire hazards immediately. The life and job you save may be your own.